UMLA ka VPP na Shillong North ba Adelbert Nongrum ulara da ka 0-hour notice Ïing Dorbar halor ka jingdu ay ya ka mensim jing Khunlung badang kha na ka daw ka jing sakut ka kali hapam pranai badan ka jing kop khwai do kha ka bahe habara ya kani ka phang ute UMLA ulong ru ba kamlong satya ka basngau tenat ba kum kini ki jingja kinmi hadu banda shakta ya ki pat ba.
I wish to announce that there is another 0-hour notice tabled by Sri Adelbert Nongrum, MLA, under Rule 49A of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business for raising a matter of grave concern. Usually, only one 0-hour notice is allowed in a day during the session. But however, as a special consideration, I am allowing the 0-hour notice tabled by Sri Adelbert Nongrum, but his submission may kindly be very brief and not make any speech. Adelbert Nongrum.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for allowing me to raise a matter of grave importance on the Rules 49A of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business. Sir, I will not make speech, but I'll try to put a question to the present day of the government. The matter relates to the shocking death of an infant baby on date 16/9/2023, who had to be delivered without medical assistance inside a passenger vehicle by a pregnant mother, as their vehicle was unfortunately stuck in a 3-hour long traffic jam caused by double side parking along the road and unruly crowd not given way to traffic an unregulated fishing competition organized at Pamharnai Lake, West Hills. Even as district administration was found guilty of negligence in issuing permission without taking responsibility in maintaining law and order, and district police personnel seen being engaged in prize distribution while noticeable absent in controlling crowd and vehicle from obstructing the traffic flow on the busy Shillong Nongrum highway alongside the fishing competition venue. Sir, it's really a matter of grave concern. I'm raising this issue, which has been featured as a prominent front page news item on a number of local daily newspapers, including Maupor and Nongsain Hima, in yesterday's edition, 18 September 2023. The incident has also been covered by electronic media, and videos are online on YouTube with thousands of viewers. Mr. Speaker, sir, I understand that Rule 49A does not allow me to make a speech, and so as a responsible legislator, I only request for a statement from the concerned minister in charge on a few important aspects. A. What action is being taken against the DC of West Hills for granting permission to the fishing competition without carrying out responsibility to ensure law and order, and against the SP of West Hills for allowing police personnel to be engaged by organizer in prize distribution while being absent from traffic management and crowd control. B. Whether future events of fishing competition, not just in West Hills, but in other districts as well, I may request the attention of the House. This is very important and very vital for the state at large. Can be put on hold till such time that a proper regulation can be made by legislation, so that no more untoward incident should occur that put a danger to the health and safety of general public. C. Is government apprised of the adverse impact of fishing competition held almost every Saturday on the weekly earning of rural households who are being addictively attracted to prize money of around 50 lakhs in total each event, while having to shell out 2,000 to 3,000 rupees as an, and of which perhaps zero amount goes towards government revenue. So I won't take much of everyone's time, so I wish that I will end up with just very few words. I resume my seat.